Okay. Now, many classic cars have various components that are finished with this kind of wrinkle paint finish. Now, I can think of MGB dashes for a start and rocker covers. It's a really great looking finish, but how do you get it? Well, the answer is, here we go, Wrinkle Plus. It's a paint, comes in a tin. Now, I will say that this paint takes a long time to dry, or that you need to actually oven dry it. I think it is for 1 hour at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 93 degrees centigrade or Celsius, whichever one you want to call it. I wouldn't suggest doing it in the oven at home. It's not going to go down well. You know what I mean? So, right, you simply shake the can for at least a minute. I've been doing this for at least a minute. Yeah, really, I have. I'm just going to quickly clean my panel. So, a bit of degreaser. There we are. Let's just get that nice and clean and dry. And then while that dries, I'm going to wear a mask. Now, you must use this in a well ventilated area, but it's a good idea to wear a mask as well. There we are. I can never fit these things up. There we go, that's better. How do I look? Magic, I suppose. Right. So I've been shaking this for over a minute, as you know, very quietly with my extra long arm over there. I'm now going to apply this, probably badly, because remember I'm a mechanic, not a painter. Alright? Mask on again. Here we are. Okay, get that one out of the way. Simple as that. Mask off. Right, so that's Wrinkle Plus. I'm going to leave that for between 12 and 24 hours. It will slowly cure and slowly it will dry to a wrinkle finish like that. It's as easy as that. VHT Wrinkle Plus. It's the one you need.